Hey guys, this is Mark from mksenglish.com, and welcome back to the show. Today is going to be different. No long explanations, no boring grammar. Today, you are going to take a challenge. I'm going to give you 10 modern English slang words. Your job? Guess the meaning before I explain it. Keep score. If you get 7 or more correct, your instincts are pretty strong. If not, don't worry. That's why you're here, right? Okay, let's begin. Number 1. Ghosted. I went on 2 dates with her. Then she ghosted me. I want you to think about that. Does it mean A, she scared him? B, she disappeared without explanation? Or C, she told him a secret? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer? B. To ghost someone means that you suddenly stop replying. No messages, no calls, nothing. All right, here's your second chance. Word number 2, salty. I'll give you an example sentence. He's still salty about losing the game. Is it A, hungry, B, angry or bitter, or C, sweaty? 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep, the answer is B, angry or bitter. Not sweaty. That's kind of gross. All right. If someone is salty, they're annoyed or upset, usually about something small. All right. Number 3, flex. An example sentence: buying that car was just a flex. Does flex mean A, exercise, B, showing off, or C, fixing something? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer? B. To flex means to show off money, success, skills. Yeah, I know you do it sometimes. All right, next, low key. An example sentence: I low key love that song. Now, does low key mean A, secretly or a little, B, very loudly, or C, not important? If you know the answer, count down with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's right, the answer is A. Low key means something quietly or slightly, not too dramatic. Number 5, high key. Example sentence: I high key need a vacation. This one should be a little bit easier, right? The meaning: A, slightly, B, secretly, or C, very or seriously. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's right, I gave you an easy one. C. High key means strongly, obviously, very. The opposite of low key. Number 6, a little bit more difficult. Crash out. Example sentence: don't crash out over one bad comment. Does it mean A, fall asleep, B, lose emotional control, or C, quit your job? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's right. Or that's wrong, depending on what you guessed. The answer is B. To crash out means to overact emotionally. Number 7. Straight from heaven. Wah, wah, wah. It's it hits different. Example sentence. This song hits different at night. Does it hit different mean A, it's violent? B, it feels special or stronger emotionally? Or C, louder? Let's count down together if you know it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer? B. It hits different, means it feels more powerful in a certain situation. Number 8. Cooked. Example sentence. I didn't study at all. I'm cooked. What does it mean? A. Hungry. B. In serious trouble. Or C. Relaxed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is B. If you're cooked, you're finished. In trouble. No hope. The end. Ugh. All right. Number 9. Mid. Example sentence. That movie was mid. Does mid mean A, amazing, B, terrible, or C, average, not impressive? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's right, the answer is C. Mid means mediocre, nothing special. Number 10, last one, guys. How you doing so far? The slang word is no cap. Example sentence. That was the best ramen I've ever had. No cap. No cap. Does it mean A, no hat, B, no joke, or I'm serious, or C, no money? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer? B. No cap simply means I'm telling the truth. So how many did you get right? Be honest. Don't lie. Look, slang changes fast. Textbooks don't teach this. But real conversations use this every day. On YouTube, Instagram, Netflix, TikTok, everywhere. Understanding slang isn't about sounding cool. It's about understanding real English. If you enjoyed this challenge, imagine what you could do with structured practice. In my lessons at mksenglish.com, we focus on natural conversation, modern vocabulary, speaking under pressure, fixing real mistakes, and building confidence step by step. You can take a free trial lesson right now. No pressure, no long contract, just real English practice. Go to my site, mksenglish.com, and book your free trial with me. If you want to stop guessing, start speaking confidently, I'll see you there.